Hey, it's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and in today's Twitter tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up your very own super follow on Twitter and explaining exactly what it is. And now this is Twitter's new way of creating a paid subscription service. Now you've probably heard of other very similar paid subscription services like Patreon and OnlyFans, and this is kind of what Twitter's trying to replicate with super follows. So to sum it up, basically it's content that is behind a paid subscriber wall that only people who paid money to your account can see. I think Twitter realized how much money they're losing to competing sites like Patreon and OnlyFans and wanted their chunk of that money, and I actually do think this is a fantastic idea on their end. Twitter has introduced some interesting things to say the least over the past couple months, but this is actually a feature that I think will do pretty well on the app, especially considering a lot of OnlyFans artists usually use Twitter to promote their work, and now they can just use Twitter super follows instead of using OnlyFans, and maybe they'll save some money so they don't have to pay OnlyFans a certain amount of their paycheck. Alright, so that sums up what it is, but let's go into how you can actually set this up. So firstly, it's only available in Canada and the United States. However, they are going to allow more and more countries as the days go on. So as of September 1st, 2021, Canada and US are the only people who have access to this. However, if you're from another country, don't worry, it will come out to your country at a later date. Now, you can sign up for a waitlist if you don't already have the feature by swiping open the sidebar on your home timeline, tapping on monetization, and then selecting super follows. To be eligible for this waitlist right now, you need to have at least 10,000 followers, be at least 18 years old, and have over 25 tweets within the last 30 days. Additionally, you have to follow through with the super follows policy, which has more rules like enabling two-factor authentication, having no repeat history of violating the Twitter user agreement, having your Twitter account be older than 3 months, making sure your account is not a state-affiliated media account, and your email address needs to be verified. So that's how you can set it up, but let's say you want to follow someone who has the super follow feature. To subscribe, tap the super follow button on an account's profile to see a description of the paid offers and pricing. If you're interested, you can tap again to subscribe via in-app payment, and that's it. So if you don't see a super follow button on an account, this simply means the account just doesn't have the super follow feature set up for themselves. The super follow button will look something like this with a purple box instead of a blue one. And once you're super following someone, you'll see all the subscriber only content on your timeline. Additionally, you can engage in conversation with other super follower users. And yeah, that's pretty much it for everything on the super follow. I hope this thoroughly explained it, how you can set it up and how you can super follow other people. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all the latest and greatest online trends and tutorials. It's been the Sauce from the Viral Kingdom. Have yourselves a fantastic day.